Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you looking for a simple way to view your page history and recover deleted pages in Notion? By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently find older versions of your notes, restore anything you've accidentally deleted, and never lose track of important information again, whether you're working in Urdu or Hindi. Let's jump straight into it. First, let's talk about how to check your page history. If you're on a Notion page and want to see earlier versions, maybe you made a big edit and aren't sure about it, or you just want to see who changed what, look up to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button with 3 little dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that. This opens a small menu with several features, but the one we're interested in today is Version History. It might have previously been labeled as Page History, so don't worry if you see that instead. It's the same thing. Now, when you select Version History, Notion will immediately show you a list of previous versions of your page. This is like a time machine for your workspace. It lets you see everything that's happened to this page in the past. You might see versions from yesterday, last week, or even older. Each entry shows you when the changes were made and, in shared workspaces, who made them. This is really helpful if you're collaborating with others or just want to make sure you're working with the right information. If you spot a version you'd like to return to, maybe a chunk of text was accidentally deleted or some formatting went wrong, just click on that version. Notion will open a preview, letting you review it before making any changes. If you're confident you want to bring things back to that earlier state, look for the Restore option and click it. Don't worry if you're not sure. You can always check different versions before deciding. It's a safe way to experiment and recover your work, and you're never locked into any changes. But what if you've actually deleted an entire page by mistake? Or maybe a database you spent a lot of time building is suddenly gone. It happens to everyone. Don't panic. There's a second method to get your content back, and it's just as easy. On the left side of your Notion workspace, you'll find the navigation pane. Among the options here, look for one labeled Trash. The icon often looks like a little trash bin. Click on Trash and Notion will show you a list of everything you've deleted. Pages, databases, even smaller content blocks. Take a moment to look through. Sometimes you'll find things you forgot were missing. When you find the page or database you want to restore, hover over it, and you'll see a Restore icon, usually a circular arrow or something similar. Click that, and Notion will immediately bring your deleted page back into your workspace, right where it belongs. You might want to double-check where it's restored so you don't lose track, but it's usually very straightforward. If you're working with a large team or lots of pages, this is a great way to keep everything organized and recover anything important. And that's all there is to it. Viewing your page history and restoring deleted content in Notion is quick, reliable, and something you'll definitely find useful as your workspace grows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more guides just like this. Got a question or something you're still curious about? Drop a comment below. I check them regularly and would love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.